Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we discussed about pair of linear equation and two variables, and we completed exercise 3.2, and now we'll move to the exercise 3.3. So I told you that we have so many methods to solve this pair of linear equation. Sorry, that is four methods. One is graphical method, one is substitution method, one is elimination, and one more is cross multiplication. So we know how to solve the pair of linear equation using in the graphical method. So now we'll study about substitution method. In the last class I gave the introduction and even I solved one of the example problem. So now onwards, so don't copy these things in your graph book, copy in your algebra classworks. Okay. So now uh, solve the following pair of linear equation by substitution method. So we'll go for the first. Already I taught you. I'll explain you once again the next problem. So the first one, here x plus y, which is equals to 14, and x minus y is equals to 4. So call this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Okay. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So what is the name of this method? This method name is substitution method. So in the sense we need to substitute. Okay, what we need to substitute? So any values they give? No. So now see here we have equation 1 and equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, what we can do? If we from equation 1 from equation 2, we can isolate the things and make one term. Sure, I'll do like this. So x is there, what I'll do? So x minus y is equal to 4 is there. So for this what we can do? So x is equals to y plus 4. So call this as equation 3. Now what you will do? Substitute equation 3 in equation not 2. You should not substitute in equation 2, you should substitute in equation 1. Suppose if you got this x value from equation 1, then you can substitute equation 2. So you should not substitute the same equation. Okay, now what I'm going to get? So x plus y is equals to 14. So then your x value is y plus 4 plus y is equal to 14. So instead of x, I substituted this value. Is it clear? So the remaining y remains the same. So now 1y plus 1y, 2y, which is equals to 14, and if this 4 come to the right hand side, it become minus 4. So therefore y is equals to, so 2y is equals to 10. So we want y, so we should isolate y on both the side. If you do like this, you'll get y is equals to 5. Is it clear? Now substitute this 5 in either in equation 1, equation 2 or equation 3, wherever you want. So I'll get the x value. So x is equals to, I'll substituting in equation 3, y plus 4. So therefore x is equals to, y is 5 plus 4, which is equals to 9. So therefore our x value, which is equals to 9. So this type of method is known as substitution method. In the examination, this type of method will be asked for 2 marks. But if you do the same problem in the graphical method, you'll get 4 marks. But now you'll get only 2 marks in the substitution method. Okay. So now next problem. S minus t is equal to 3, and also s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Okay, we'll solve now. S minus t is equal to 3. Okay, so now we call this as equation 1. You write question and call that as equation 1 and 2. This is equation 2. So from 1, so I think first you'll guess, you should see here which equations are easy to isolate. I think I'll go for first. So if I do like this, so here s is equals to 3, already minus t is there. When it come to this side, it become plus t. So therefore s is equals to t plus 3. t plus 3. Call this as equation 2. Okay, so this is equation, sorry, not equation 2, equation 3. Now substitute equation 3 in 1 or 2. So from 1 we got this, so don't substitute for 1. If you substitute for 1 you'll get the same thing. So but when you substitute for 2 you'll get correct answer. Substitute equation 3 in 2. So what is the equation 3, sorry, equation 2? S by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. So our s value is t by 3, so t plus 3. So here I replacing here s, instead of s I writing here t plus 3 by 3 plus t divided by 2, which is equals to 6. Now what we need to do, we need to take the LCM, or we can do the cross multiplication. So which is easy, we can do. So I'll do the cross multiplication. So 2 into t plus 3 plus 3 into t and like this cross multiplication, 3 into 3 3t divided by 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, which is equal to 6. Is it clear? Again you can cross multiply. See here, wherever the plus or minus is there, then you need to multiply denominator. Wherever is equal to is there, we should no need to multiply denominator. So now multiply this 2 3 to 2, that is 2t plus 3 2s are 6 plus 3t divided by 6, which is equal to 6 by 1. So multiply this. So 2t plus 3t, that is 5t plus 6, which is equals to, multiply this, 6 6 are 36. Now again simplify 5t, which is equals to 36 minus 6. So then 5t, which is equals to 36 minus 6 is 30. Then t is equals to 30 by 5. So then 5 ones are 5 6 are. So therefore t is equal to 6. We got the t value, which is equal to 6. Now substitute t in equation 1, 2 or 3, wherever you want. So you'll get s. So s is equals to, t value is 6. So 6 plus 3, so s is equals to 9. So we got that s value and t value. So here if you want you can verify 9 by 9 minus t is nothing but 6. 9 minus 6, 3, and here 9 by 3, that is 3, plus t is 6 by 2. So you'll get the correct answer. So 9 by 3 3 plus t by 2, that is 6 by 2, that is 3 plus 3 6. Is it clear? I hope all of you understood. Okay, we'll go for the next problem. So now here, so call this as equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay, now simplify this. Now we can simplify here. So from equation 1 we can do the x, or equation 2 you can do the x, whichever you want you can do. So I'll take equation 1. So here 3x minus y is equal to 3. So from this what I'm going to do, I'll isolate x. Okay, like this I'll do. So 3x, I'll transpose this to the left hand side, so it become minus 3, and I'll transpose this to the right hand side, so it become plus y. So therefore y is equals to 3x minus 3, 3x minus 3. So call this as equation 3. Now what you will do, substitute equation 3 in where 1 or 2. So from where we got this 3 equation? From the 3 equation, the origin. So the origin of the third equation is first equation. So don't substitute for the first equation now. So substitute for the equation 2. So if you do like that, so your 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. Now what we need to do? So see that y is equal to 3x minus 3. So what you can do? So substitute these values. So the y in the place of y, you replace 3x minus 3. So your 9x, which is equal to minus 3 into, in place of y, I'll writing here 3x minus 3 is equals to 9. So here 9x minus 3 is a 9x minus into minus. So that is minus into minus minus. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so now 3x. So it is a 3x minus 9x. So minus into minus plus 9, which is equals to 9. So 9x get cancelled. It remains with 9 is equals to 9. Okay, what is this? It is not like this, right? We not got x value, we not got y value. Why we not get in the sense? Because in the graph method you may seen that. So you will get a straight line graph, you will get a cross line graph, and you'll get a two lines intersecting, and you'll get a straight line, and you'll get a parallel lines. So why it is? So if it is straight line, it has infinitely many solutions. If it is intersect, it has only one solution. If it is parallel line, it has no solution. So here also it is straight line. So that is, it has infinitely many solution. There is no any one particular solution for this equations. Okay, it has so many solutions, so only not get any particular equations. So this is the answer you need to write. So I can write here, hence the pair of equation has infinitely many solutions. I hope all of you understood this. Okay, so now we'll move to the next problem. Okay, next problem. Okay, here we have the fourth problem. 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3, and 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So all these are decimal numbers, right? So we can do one thing, we can simplify as it is, how it will be, or also we can simplify by making this into the whole numbers. If we do this into the whole numbers, so then it is easy for us to simplify. Why? Because we are very familiar with simplifying the whole numbers instead of decimal numbers. So what I am going to do for this, see how many decimal points were there after, how many digits were there after decimal point. So 0.2 here one digit, 0.3 here also one digit, 0 point and here point 1.3. So after decimal we have only one digit here. And what about here? Here also the same, one digit is there after the decimal. So what I am going to do, so I'll multiply for both the equation by 1 followed by 1 0. Why? Because only one digit is there. In case if two digits were there, I need to multiply by two digits. If I have three digits there after decimal, I need to multiply by three digits. So but I have here only one digit after decimal, so I'll multiply here by 10. If I multiply by 10, what I'm going to get? 0.2 into 10, that is 2x, plus 0.3y into 10, that is 3y, which is equals to 1.3 into 10, that is 13, and 0.4 into 10, that is 4x, then plus 0.5y into 10, that is 5y, which is equals to 23. So call this as equation 1, and this is equation 2. Is it clear? So now the remaining thing is same how we did it for the last problems. So what I'm going to do, I'll take equation 1 or equation 2 and I'll isolate any one of the variable, that is x or y. So I'll take this equation 1. So 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. Okay. So what I'm going to do, so here 2x which is equals to 13 minus 3y. Then x is equals to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. Call this as equation 3. Okay, so now what you'll do, substitute equation 3 in where we need to substitute 1 or 2. So substitute in 2, so not in 1. So if you substitute in 1, so you will get the same answer. If you want, you can try in your book, in your rough book. So by substituting equation 3 in 1 only, so you'll not get any correct answer. Okay, you'll not get anything. So I think you'll get 0, I think. So here 4x plus 5y, which is equals to 23. So now substitute this. So x is equals to x value in the place of 13 minus the 3y by 2 in the place of x. So that is 4 times 13 minus 3y divided by 2 plus 5y is equal to 23. Now 13 fours are. So what you're going to get? Simplify it. So here 13 fours are 52 minus 4 threes are 12y divided by 2 plus 5y, nothing is there, 1, which is equals to 23. So now simplify it further, cross multiply. Here you need to cross multiply, or you can take the LCM to simplify. So if you want to take LCM, you can take LCM also. So if the LCM for 2 and 1 is 2, so here already 2 is there, so multiply here by 2 on both the side. If you do like that, you'll get 52 minus 12y, then plus 5 2s are 10y divided by 2 into 1 2, which is equals to 23. So now simplify it further, 52, so 52 minus 2y divided by 2 is equals to 23. So then 52 minus 2y, which is equals to 23 into 2, cross multiply this again. 23 into 2 is 46. So then minus 2y, which is equals to 46 minus 52. So minus 2y, which is equals to 46 minus 52 is nothing but minus 6. So both in the left hand side and in the right hand side we have minus, cancel this minus. So then y is equals to 6 by 2. So therefore y is equals to 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are. So y is equal to 3. Is it clear? So we got that y is equal to 3. Now substitute this y is equal to 3 in either in equation 1 or equation 2 or equation 3. I'll go for equation 3 only. So x is equals to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. So what is our y value? Our y value is 3, right? Okay, now substitute here. So 13 minus 3 into 3 divided by 2. So therefore x is equals to 13 minus 3. So 13 minus 3 3s are 9 divided by 2. So what is 13 minus 9, which is nothing but 4, right? So at x is equals to 4 divided by 2. Therefore x is equals to 4 1s are 4 2s are, x is equals to 2. So the value of x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. I hope all of you understood this. Okay, so this is known as a substitution method. Okay, so I hope all of you understood. All of you copy this in your algebra classworks. All of you copy this in your algebra classworks and mention today's date and day before writing the notes. And also I'll assign you some homework, so please do that homework. Okay, try to solve by yourself by the substitution method. Okay. Okay, do these problems in your homework book. So solve these problems in your homework book. Solve in homework book. Okay, so that is square root of 2x plus square root of 3y is equal to 0, and square root of 3x minus square root of y is equal to 0, and 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2, and x plus 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Second question, 2x plus 3, solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11, and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for the y is equal to mx plus 3. Okay, I hope all of you will do this. Okay, the remaining thing we'll see in the next class. So solve this in your homework book and copy the 4 problems in your classwork, in your algebra classwork, not in graph book. Okay, so the remaining thing we'll see in the next class. Have a nice day, take care.